Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. We've already made dinner and bread, so it's time to make a dessert. Today I'm transforming a favorite childhood sandwich into a cookie. Our peanut butter and banana cookies are based on a peanut butter cookie recipe. So let's see what we're gonna need. In addition to our regular peanut butter cookie ingredients, which are of course listed here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below, we'll also be adding in a cup of rolled oats and one very ripe banana. We start these cookies by creaming our fats with our sugars. The easiest way, of course, to measure peanut butter is to weigh it. We'll be using 1 cup or 10 ounces of peanut butter. Let's mix this peanut butter and butter first. Next in go the sugar, and they'll help to completely incorporate this butter. Okay, we want to make sure we incorporate air so you can see the change in color. I'm going to scrape down the sides. And again, you don't need to do this with a spatula. You can just use the paddle. Okay, and again, the difference in my cookie recipes is I add the salt and the leavening ingredients here to make sure that they're fully incorporated. Then next we're going to slice in this ripe banana. We don't want to overmix this because it will become watery. Then the eggs, one at a time. Then the vanilla. Next, the oats. We're going to add the flour half at a time, and this is where we want to make sure we do not overmix this. Otherwise, your cookies will just be tough. We're just going to run this on low until the flour is just incorporated. Then I'm going to run it on high for about 3 seconds. Okay, we'll scrape down the sides and add in the rest of the flour. And again, slow until it's incorporated and then run it on high for about 3 seconds. Okay, depending on the atmospherics and the ripeness of your banana, if this dough is very loose, you can put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour. Otherwise, this is perfect, so I'm going to scoop it and bake cookies right now. I'm using a 2 tablespoon or a number 40 disher. Now this is going to make a lot of cookies. So like all my other cookies, I scoop these out onto parchment paper, put them all in the refrigerator until they firm up, and then they go in bags so that we can bake them a few at a time in the toaster oven, which is what I'm doing today. It smells so good in here, and look who wants a bite. Let's give these cookies a taste. And yes, I'm letting the dog have some. Here you go. Yes, delicious. Oh, so tender. The banana and the oats keep these cookies so soft. Wonderful. There is something so satisfying about a brand new jar of peanut butter. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.